You only have 8 minutes. Oh my gosh, guys. So this is number 2, the cicada. Turned out we have more minutes. And Bella is so freaking close. Earlier, she went in her bed and walked around back to the cicada. Are you being a dangerous pug? Oh, sorry. You're being a rebel pug. This cicada is the most careless cicada in the world. Like he or she just sits there just like, I really don't care. And I find that funny. Here, I can do better camera work, Mom. Gotta stand up here, you see? Back up. Okay, that's good. Keep the works going. Boom! This dog. Are you gonna come over here? I threw a pin at the cicada. It didn't even move. Here she goes again. I kinda wanna be more than... Okay, I'm not gonna go. Oh my gosh. That cicada's like latched to it. Oh my goodness. Bite it. What?
Oh my gosh.
You would be the next Gabe the dog, Bella. Like that would ever happen, but it's just a hopeful wish. Oh my goodness gracious, she's in her bed. She did that earlier, guys. She wants to lay down in her bed so bad. And I haven't seen the other video. Check that out. We can become famous, Bella. Like that would ever happen, but gotta stand up again. Oh my goodness. Skeet it, Bella. Bella, skeet it. Put this in landscape. I'm bad at landscape though. So the camera, where? Okay, so the camera's right there.
Or you can hear her.
They can hear her too, Mom. It was walking, guys. I can't see though. Oh, it's blurry. Camera focus. Whoops. Wow. What am I doing? This camera will not focus for the life of it. Cicada. Pug. Cicada. Pug. Bella, get it. She just howled. That's the first time she's howled, guys. She actually howled. Oh my goodness. Like if that was... Where is it? Where is it? I'm coming out there. I'm scared. There's a freaking cicada on the loose. There's a cicada on the loose. In our house. I swear if it's in my room. Where is it?
It went over that way.
Maybe it's in the lamp. Check. Check. I don't want to go near that. Oh my gosh, is it on me?
Oh, it's in the corner over there by the table.
Oh my goodness.
See it?
I'm booking it.
Huh?
I'm booking it. I am terrified.
That's a great video.
We still have more to go. Oh my goodness, guys, the cicada is on that table, but you can't see because I'm far away. Not risking going up there.
It's off your bed, Bella. It's not on your bed anymore.
There's a freaking cicada. I am. Oh. I will back.
Don't put that in my face.
I will back you into the cicada.
Don't put that on my face. I mean it.
Cicada. Oh, I'm close to this freaking cicada. About time to end this video. Bella, what do you gotta say? What do you gotta say? Why did you film this?
Got rid of the cicada, didn't you? You beat it. You beat it.
So I'm gonna go and lock myself in my room so I do not die from the cicada. I haven't ended the video yet. So thanks all you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye. Say bye. Bye-bye. What do you have to say? Okay, the cicada said nothing. Bye.